Hello from Lo de Marcos. It is one of our final days here. We cannot believe it. The weather is incredible. I know many of you are probably wondering, oh my gosh, we got flooded out. But no, I think a lot of the times the news likes to hype things up because again, I had all my friends and family asking me if we're afloat. In Lo de Marcos, it rains a lot, but they have an opening to the ocean and everything just passes on through. So within a matter of hours, even all the roads that kind of flood and everything, they're gone. So we're fine. But yeah, the weather is beautiful today. It's a lot less humid. And of course it would be because this is the time when everybody starts making their way down. So Lo de Marcos, the town, is already kind of welcoming some new arrivals. So it's kind of cool to see some old faces. But again, here we go. We're going the opposite direction. We laughed when coming down to Mexico because we were coming down when everyone was leaving. And so this time we're leaving when everyone's coming. So the plan is we are going to be receiving our tow tomorrow, and we're heading out. So I wanted to go ahead and kind of give you the update as of what route we're going. We will be passing through the Guadalajara area near Lake Chapala, and then from there we'll be working our way up to San Miguel de Allende, and up we go. So today is a busy day. You know, there's a lot to think about because we haven't RV'd for 18 months really, and the first time we're heading out is a big trip through Mexico. So it's a little nerve-wracking, but at the same time, you know, we're extra careful in how we prepare. So today I'll be going through the inside of the house and actually just kind of locking things down a little bit more, making sure things aren't just kind of floating around. And otherwise, we'll be ready to head out. We've stocked up on food and fresh fruits and meats and everything so that when we get to the border, you know, those will all be finished. But yeah, it's just a matter of kind of preparing now. It's a lot to think about. You know, the route is one thing, and then now I have a gentleman who's going to be pulling us, driving us, which is another. But we will just have to come back down and get our truck when it's ready, and you know, in a separate kind of trip. So join us as we take you along our path to leave Mexico. We are going out a different way than we came in. We will be passing out near the town of Laredo, Texas, but we will not be going through Laredo because we are too big. So we will be doing the truck route, which is just west of Laredo. So all right, hope to see you around. So today's the big day. Are you holding your finger? Huh? Okay, you got it? Okay. So today's the big day. We are packing up, as you can see. I'm going to pull in our slide. The kids and I, we are all ready. Oh, shit. The dogs are like, what's going on? And we just did some final shopping for some fresh fruits and vegetables. Oh, shit. Said goodbye to our amazing work people that we're gonna miss dearly, and yeah. All right, so front's done. All right, let's go check the back. Where should we check the back?
Yeah.
Probably kind of
so
dark.
Happy that.
But this is what our back looks like when we travel. So we have tables, and it's kind of nice because we got rid of the quad. We tried to get rid of as much heavy stuff as possible so that we don't put a lot of weight on the axles. So yep, and now we got to do the kitchen. So we just found out that our tow guy, Barry, will be here in about 45 minutes. It's kind of crazy because everything's falling into place. We haven't had anything fall into place for like almost 4 months. So yeah, it's been interesting to try to remember how to close everything up and put, like, for instance, these things. Oh my gosh, I have to dust these things off and take a look, Christian. See in here? These are our refrigerator blockers, so like wow. So we've got them here, we've got them in the fridge, and then we have them up here where there's breakables.
Yep.
Just so things don't.
Just so things don't wonk out.
Yeah, so they don't spill around and stuff. Yep. So now I'm making lunches.
Yep.
So that no one gets hangry on the road.
Hangry. Yeah. What you doing, Dad?
I'm getting ready, buddy.
You ready to go?
Getting ready, yeah.
Cool. Want to say hi?
Hi, everybody. We're ready for our next adventure.
Yeah. So what are you doing right now?
Just packing all the pipes and all the outside stuff so we
Cool.
can get on the road.
Nice.
So we're heading over to Hilo, Hawaii, where we have family awaiting us to work with hemp CBD. The business is called Aloha Hemp, and we can't wait to get started. But sure enough, before we left, we realized that we were having some hitch problems, and we had to get our hitch to coordinate with our trailer. But as soon as we got on the road, everything was smooth sailing. And our journey began as we ventured towards the American border.